Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today it's a fun get ready with me. You'll get to know about all the stuff I'm using, and it's actually get ready for me with nowhere to go. So it was just a random get ready with me, so I thought why not to record it. And it's a soft glam makeup. You'll just see I have made my lips look attractive because of the dress I'm wearing, and I applied the e.l.f. Halo Glow. Now I'm baking it up with Revolution. I'm using no foundation because I'm not in mood of applying that heavy glam look, so that's why I'm just using a baking powder of Revolution, and I just dust it off a little bit because I don't want to bake my face either. So now you can see I'm just rubbing it over, and now it's Bounty palette of Mariam Parvez, one of the best palette I've ever had from Pakistan. And here I'm applying contouring, which was the bad idea ever, and I took a little brush for my nose, but my nose is big right now, so I just slept for a longer time, so that's why it was weekend and my nose got so big. Can you see that? It's a little funny I'm saying that, but I accept the fact. Anyways, I'm using a contour from e.l.f., which is the best one. I use it in tube form, and now I'm trying to contour my face, and then I thought what I should not do it, but then I decided to do it. And I'm looking to something on wall. There was a little bit of insect. I'm scared of insect. If you know me, you will get to know. And here I'm messing up my nose with that brush. Can you see that? Yes, so I'm just applying it on brush and I don't like it. Anyways, I'm just now thinking to get a beauty blender, which is my friend at all the times. It's a hack. So whenever your makeup is messed, you can just fix it up with the beauty blender. And I'm again and again seeing that insect on the door, so it doesn't jump on my face. It will just ruin up my face, and I don't know what will happen to me at that time. Just ignore it. And this brush is from Beautify by Amna, and it is from Pakistan too. I really loved it, and I'm going to give a separate review about these brushes because these had my whole entire heart, because this one is a daddy brush. I just got a daddy brush, and now I'm just taking another brush from Beautify by Amna for setting up my brows. And now I'm taking a Sunsplash Princess mascara, and I'm just applying a little coat of that, a light one, so my lash don't look that dramatic. As I mentioned before, I want the light glam look, and it's a hack that whenever I'm not in mood of applying any eyebrow, so I just take a mascara and just have a light coat of that. And I'm taking a Pixie blush, a light shade of that, and now I'm taking a beauty blender because I want that natural look. I'm mentioning it again and again, so you just know about that. I'm taking the e.l.f. blush powder, and I'm just dusting it off to make sure to get out the extra product from that brush, and I'm applying it thoroughly on my cheeks, and you can see that apple cheeks of mine. Now I'm taking the 3 shades. First of all, I'm going to line up my lips. As I mentioned before in the start of the video, that I just wanted my lips to be attractive and the other look to be a little dim. So as my dress is red and I want my lips to be a little more attractive to give the pop-up look to my makeup. And now I'm lining up my lips. It's a really complicated one. I'm taking a mirror and I'm just seeing it, and now I'm just looking a little dramatic. That's why I made that face. And no worries, I took BBA lip shade, and that's the nudish one, and I really wanted to go for the nudish brown look, and that lips don't look that bad. So I just was thinking to make it a little more matte, and now I'm just trying to take a beauty blender to that one is the cute one because I really like that beauty blender. It's very friendly to just make it good. Your makeup will look good if you messed it up. And now I'm taking a MAC lipstick. It's brown shade to make it more brown, and I really like that glowy cheeks of mine right now because of that e.l.f. glow. And The other one I took the Pixie blush. Now I'm taking the Tower 28 lip gloss and I'm just applying it on my lips to make it a little more shinier. And because I first thought to have a matte look, but now I just want to make it shinier, because you know the trend of lip gloss nowadays is wow. So I'm just applying that. And now I really liked my lip shade because I just slowly started liking that, and I just decided to have that lipstick at any cost. Yeah. Now my hair are not set yet, so oops, I off the ring light, but no worries, I on it again. That is the white one, and the golden one is more good, so I really like that look. I hope guys you like my this look, so stay tuned for the next one. Bye bye, till that, Allah Hafiz and take care.